Let's look at the maintenance engineer role. Your role will be to monitor tactical quiet generators and initiate the various maintenance processes. The focus of this role will change each round as you explore corrective, preventive, and predictive maintenance. Your mission over the course of the simulation is to ensure that your generators remain functional at all times, maximize uptime, and minimize downtime, and to limit your maintenance costs. The longer your generators remain broken, the higher the downtime costs. During the first round, you will carry out corrective maintenance. This means your generators will break down and your job is to start repairs so they are up and running as soon as possible. First, you have to continuously monitor the state of your generators. The overview tile is a great place to start. Here you can see the status of your generators, whether they are running, whether they need repair, as well as the uptime and downtime of each. You will also see that each generator has real-time IoT sensors for oil pressure, bearing temperature, and engine temperature. If either of these sensors reaches a critical level, the generator will break down. From what we can see, there are indeed some components which have reached a critical level and the generator has failed. When it does, you will receive a maintenance notification. In Find Maintenance Notification, you see system-generated notifications, highlighting which component is broken in each generator. Select all pertinent notifications, those components you want to repair, and click Generate Orders. This will create maintenance orders which you need to prioritize, indicating which repair is most important, and to release so that repairs can be scheduled by the resource manager. Select the maintenance orders you just generated and assign a priority, low, medium, high, corresponding to urgency of repair. This information will guide the resource manager's decisions. At the moment, because we are exploring corrective maintenance, all repairs are urgent, meaning our generators have broken down. In Round 2 and Round 3, these priority decisions will have much more impact. You have successfully created maintenance orders and repairs can begin the corrective maintenance process. Good luck with Round 1.